Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2009 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8 maintenance light reset. Go ahead and turn on your key to the second position, and we're gonna be using that screen, and we're gonna be using this button right here, and just that button. Okay, as you can see, we are on the ODO. Make sure it's on the trip A, and go ahead and press that button to go find trip A. Press it once, and as you can see trip A. And when you get to trip A, go ahead and turn off your car, and you can see the maintenance require light is on over here. When you reset it, it's going to turn off. Okay, go ahead and turn off your car. Now at the same time, press and hold this button, press and hold, and turn on your car without starting. Give me a second, and you can see the blinkers running just like that. And there it is, guys. And also the light over here is off too. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.